Hey guys, quick review on the Fumepure Fat Burn Shorts for 2026. Are they actually worth your money? Short answer, no, not if you're expecting real fat loss. These shorts are basically compression shapewear with some heavy marketing around fat burning and infused ingredients like moringa and berberine. The problem is, there's no solid scientific evidence that wearing fabric infused with anything can actually burn fat through your skin. That whole micro-needle delivery claim just doesn't hold up in real-world medical research. What you will notice is an instant slimming effect, but that's just compression and a bit of water loss from sweating, not actual fat reduction. Once you hydrate, everything goes back to normal. To be fair, as shapewear or gym compression shorts, they're fine. They smooth things out and fit comfortably under clothes. But bottom line, don't buy them expecting weight loss. You're better off getting standard compression shorts for a fraction of the price.